Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by protecting your progress. Back up the game save and the entire mods folder. Once done, open your GTAV install directory, Steam or Rockstar path, and navigate to mods/update/x64/DLC packs and scripts. You need to identify files named for network graphics, weather, or visual multiplayer overlays. Make sure to close the game and any mod managers so files are not in use. This prevents corrupt saves and ensures the uninstaller steps that follow will succeed without locked files. Now you proceed to removal. Delete the specific network graphics folders and files you identified, avoiding any core game executables. If you used a mod manager, use its uninstall function for clean removal. Make sure to open mods/gameconfig. XML and remove any lines referencing the removed DLC packs or scripts, or replace with your backed up original. After deleting, empty the recycle bin and verify no leftover files remain in the mods directory. This ensures the game won't attempt to load. Finish by verifying integrity. Run Steam or Rockstar Launcher Repair to restore any accidental core file deletions. Launch the game once to confirm no graphical mods load. If you still encounter crashes or missing textures, restore your backup and remove suspect files one at a time to isolate the problem. Make sure to clear any loader or texture caches and restart your PC between tests. If nothing works, revert to the original backed up mods folder and seek the mod author's support for specific uninstall guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.